I have this. I bought this off eBay. It was about a tenner. And it's about, I don't know, like, it's about 25 centimeters long.
Do you like scary movies?
It's no good. It's no good. So I 3D printed this, and this is the Scream 6 weathered damaged mask. This is primed and ready to go with some weathering. I'm going to do a video on that and show you how I get this look. So I got the files online, and it is about 20% bigger. This is about 45 centimeters long. Did a bit of research. The actual Scream mask is about 30 centimeters, and you can see there just from that angle that the size is way off. So yeah, this is just going to be a display piece. I'm probably going to hang this on the wall or something for now, but I do have this. Okay, look at the, just, it's hard to show, but yeah, size difference. So that's about 45 centimeters long, 30 centimeters long. The mask is supposed to be between 30 and 31 centimeters, give or take, according to a quick Google search. So I'm going to do a video on my weathering, just like I did on this one. To achieve all that on here, hopefully, and maybe more. You know, I want to wear this one. I want to look like the killer. I want, you know, I just want the look. I want the feel, and this is why I made this.
Do you like scary movies? Maybe you and I could play a little game. Let's see what you look like on the inside.
So yeah, like, subscribe to stay up to date with my videos, and keep an eye out for the video on my weathering for this one. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a video on how I made this, and I will catch you soon. Cheers.